10 British foods you need to know. British food is often misunderstood until you taste it, and that's when everything changes. The charm of 10 British foods you need to know lies in how these dishes combine history, comfort, and character in ways that feel familiar yet wonderfully unique. These meals are more than recipes. They're stories of seaside villages, working families, Sunday rituals, and generations who perfected simple flavours. If you want to explore Britain beyond travel guides, let 10 British foods you need to know guide you through the classics that define real British cuisine. 10. Cornish Pasty. The Cornish Pasty remains one of the most recognisable foods in Britain, thanks to its distinctive D shape and crimped edge. Originally crafted for Cornwall's tin miners, it served as a practical, hearty lunch that could withstand long workdays underground. The thick crust worked as a handle miners could hold with dirty hands before discarding it, while the filling, traditionally beef, potato, onion and swede, provided enough energy to last hours. Today, the pasty is celebrated nationwide and protected under regional food laws that ensure true Cornish versions must be made within Cornwall. You'll find variations everywhere: cheese and onion, steak and ale, chicken and bacon, but the classic recipe still captures the heart of British food culture. 9. Scotch egg. The Scotch egg is one of the most satisfying grab-and-go foods in Britain. Though often associated with picnics and pubs, its history traces back to 1738, when a London department store reportedly created the first version as a traveller's snack. A real Scotch egg begins with a perfectly cooked egg, soft or hard, wrapped in seasoned sausage meat, then covered in breadcrumbs and fried or baked until golden. Today, gastropubs have elevated it with runny yolks, rare breed sausage, and inventive coatings, yet the original remains unbeatable for sheer comfort. Whether served cold or warm, dipped in mustard, or simply enjoyed on its own, the Scotch egg represents Britain's love of simple food made exceptionally well. It's a dish travellers consistently search for when exploring the best British foods to try. 8. Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire pudding might look simple, but any Brit will tell you it's an art form. Made from a basic batter of eggs, flour and milk, it's poured into sizzling hot fat and baked until it puffs into a golden, airy structure that's crisp on the outside and tender within. This dish dates back to the 18th century, when cooks used it to stretch meat drippings and feed large families affordably. Today, it's a cornerstone of the beloved Sunday roast, often filled with gravy or served as part of a feast of potatoes, vegetables and meat. Some people even enjoy Yorkshire pudding with jam as a dessert, proving its versatility. Regional pride is strong. Many claim their family recipe is superior, and they might be right. It remains one of the most iconic and most searched items in British cuisine. 7. Shepherd's pie. Few dishes capture the idea of British comfort food better than shepherd's pie. Traditionally made with minced lamb simmered in gravy with onions, carrots, peas and herbs, it's topped with creamy mashed potatoes and baked until the top is golden and slightly crisp. This dish grew from a culture of frugality, turning leftovers from Sunday dinner into a hearty second meal. Cottage pie, made with beef instead of lamb, is related but distinct. What makes shepherd's pie special is its warmth, a dish families gather around, especially during colder months. It remains one of Britain's most reliable crowd pleasers, appearing in homes, pubs, and even upscale restaurants that reinterpret it with richer gravies or herb-infused mash. 6. Sticky toffee pudding. Sticky toffee pudding is one of Britain's great desserts, a rich, moist date sponge drenched in warm toffee sauce. Its origins are often linked to the Lake District, where chefs popularised it in the 20th century. The combination is heavenly. The sweetness of the sauce, the soft texture of the cake, and the contrast of cool ice cream or warm custard. Despite its richness, it never feels heavy. It has become a favourite in pubs, restaurants, and home kitchens, often appearing in searches for classic British desserts. It's indulgent, nostalgic, and satisfying. Everything a comforting dessert should be. The warm caramel notes make it especially popular in winter, but its appeal lasts all year. 5. Full English breakfast. The full English breakfast is legendary. A meal so generous that people often marvel at its size before eagerly digging in. The usual lineup includes eggs, bacon, sausages, toast, beans, mushrooms, and tomatoes, with optional additions like hash browns or black pudding. The dish developed during the 19th century as a hearty way to fuel workers for long days ahead. Over time, it became a beloved national tradition, enjoyed in cafes, restaurants, hotels, and even homes on lazy weekend mornings. Every component plays a role, from the richness of the sausages to the comforting warmth of the beans. Regions have their own styles, such as the full Scottish or full Irish, but the concept remains the same: a celebration of flavour and abundance. 4. Bangers and mash. Bangers and mash is proof that the simplest meals can bring the biggest comfort. At its core, it's just sausages served with mashed potatoes and gravy, yet the flavour balance makes it unforgettable. The name bangers emerged during the early 20th century when sausages sometimes burst while cooking due to high water content. Today's versions are far improved, made with quality pork, herbs, and spices. The mash is ideally buttery and smooth, forming a soft base for the sausages, while onion gravy ties everything together. This dish appears everywhere, from traditional pubs to modern restaurants offering gourmet versions with caramelised onions, apple-infused sauces, or artisanal sausages. Affordable, accessible, and deeply comforting, it remains one of Britain's most loved meals and a staple among top British food searches. 3. Chicken tikka masala. Though inspired by South Asian cuisine, chicken tikka masala has become a symbol of Britain's multicultural food identity. Many believe it was created in the UK by chefs who combined grilled chicken pieces with a creamy tomato sauce to suit local tastes. The result is a dish that's flavourful yet mild enough to appeal to a wide audience. It's now one of the most popular takeaway meals in Britain and appears on nearly every curry house menu. The balance of spice, creaminess, and tender chicken makes it incredibly satisfying. Its popularity reflects modern British cuisine, diverse, adaptive, and full of global influences. As one of the most searched dishes in British food culture, it stands alongside long-established classics, proving that tradition evolves with time. 2. Sunday roast. The Sunday roast is not simply a meal, it's a weekly event cherished across Britain. Families gather around roasted meat, potatoes, vegetables, gravy, and Yorkshire puddings, creating one of the most comforting feasts imaginable. Its origins date back centuries, tied to communal worship and the custom of preparing a special meal on the day of rest. What makes it special is the togetherness it encourages. It's the kind of meal where stories are shared, plates are passed, and seconds are almost guaranteed. Whether you prefer roasted beef, chicken, lamb, or a vegetarian version with nut roast, the spirit remains the same. Crispy potatoes, rich gravy, and warm Yorkshire puddings complete the experience. 1. Fish and chips. Fish and chips stands proudly at number 1, and for good reason. It's the definitive British dish. The tradition began in the 19th century when fried fish met newly popular chipped potatoes, creating a meal that was affordable, filling, and perfect for workers. It became especially important during difficult economic times because it remained accessible when other foods were scarce. Today, it's still beloved, especially in seaside towns where fresh air and steaming paper-wrapped portions go hand in hand. The key to perfect fish and chips is contrast. crisp golden batter surrounding tender fish, paired with thick chips that are soft inside and slightly crisp outside. Some people add salt and vinegar. Others prefer mushy peas or curry sauce. Whatever your preference, the dish represents comfort, history, and tradition. It consistently tops searches for classic UK cuisine and remains a cornerstone of Britain's food identity. From savoury pies to timeless desserts, these dishes reveal the heart of British cooking. Simple ingredients turned into something comforting and memorable. 10 British foods you need to know. Highlights flavours that have shaped communities for generations. Whether enjoyed in homes, pubs or seaside towns, these foods reflect Britain's rich, diverse culinary story. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.